Hey everybody, I was gifted an absolutely spectacular chair. I love it. You need this. It is so many things. First of all, it is just beautiful. Look at this. I'm going to show you close-ups. I'm going to show you videos in real time from the front and from the sides and the back of this chair. It is a lift chair and a recliner chair, plus it has heat and massage. So what you're going to do is you're going to sit on the chair. You have two remotes. This is for the lift. We're going to look at this one close up later. This is for the massage and everything. So clever, it even has a charging port on that side. And then you are going to push the button. It goes very slowly. I'm not going to speed up the video. And I am going to show you how this reclines, again, from all of the angles. Stay tuned to the end or fast forward to the end, and I'm going to show you how easy this is to put together. So this is fully back. Now I'm going to go the other way. I love that this chair has a slimmer design than many of the other lift chairs that I have seen. The material is really, really soft. The cushions are very, very comfortable. And this is the best part. It is going to help me stand. So if you have trouble getting in and out of the chair, or if you have someone that you love that has trouble getting in and out of the chair, this is such a great aid. I do love the speed. It is just enough, not too slow, not too fast. It gives you time to get your feet under you. Get my feet under me, and I stand up. And when I'm ready to sit back down, I just sit a little bit, and then this puts me back into a seated position. So I'm going to show you some views of this. I'm going to have my daughter come and show you this from the side. And then again, I'm going to show you what this looks like from the back, just in case you're interested in how this actually does lift someone. It has a really nice steel frame. I know this is a long video, but I know you also probably want to know all of these details. So stay with me and let's take some more views. Okay, let's learn a little bit about the chair. And again, a reminder, I'm going to show you from the side and the back how this works. So this is a power lift recliner. You have 4 pockets, 2 on each side and then 2 in the back. So you can put your remotes in either of the pockets on the side or the back. And I like that you have the separate pockets on each side, so it's going to be easy to have the remote on the side that you prefer. Super soft. The cords, you do have a lot of cords, but they are neat and tidy there in the back, and you do have a nice long cord so that you can reach the wall. So this is the gray color, and it is really a nice feel to it. But again, the best thing about this chair is that it has that power lift function. This holds up to 350 pounds. The upholstery, yes, it is soft and it is like very skin friendly and breathable, but it is also filled with like a lot of that really nice sponge. So there's sort of that really nice mix of being soft and a little bit of firmness, but not too much. This is going to be really, really comfy. I know a lot of people who are a little bit older like to sleep in one of these at night, and so this would be really comfortable for that. So there is good lumbar support. Let me just say that. The design is so nice. So if you're using your iPad or your phone and you don't want to get up and like plug it in, you have that USB charging port in the remote for the massage function. And that only works with low power devices like your iPad or your iPhone. And you do have a bit of installation for this, but it is not too much. You can see the speed on this is slower, but not too slow. I love the speed. I mentioned this before. It's really nice because I know a lot of people who say, I want to make sure my feet are under me before I stand up. And this really allows that. All right, so let's go ahead and move the camera to the back. This is really well made. It is whisper quiet. Now let's talk about sizing while we're looking at this. So it is 45.5 tall, and the armrests are about 25 tall. It is 29 deep and 34.3 wide. You have a really nice depth to the seat. The seat is 21.7 and it is 20.8 wide. When it's fully reclined from the headrest to the footrest, it is 62.2 inches. So this is really nice. This would also be really nice if you like to read or you like to nap in your chair. If you have a baby and you're feeding them and you just want to be comfy and the price point is great, you really can get 2 of these. And while this does recline a lot, it's not so far that you're not going to be able to put this in a small space. So now let's go ahead and look at the remote control. You turn it on right here for power. Part is choosing the massage area. You have 5 different modes that are so easy to choose with just the press of this button. Then you have your heat mode, and it is on when you have the red light on in the middle. You have 3 different intensity levels, and then you have this great timer button so that it will turn off after 10, 20, or 30 minutes. Now let's put this together. Okay, let's take a quick look at what you get in the box. Step 1 is to take everything out, find your instruction manual. There is a lot of stuff inside of the base of the chair. So the way that you get it out is you're going to lift up the base here, and then that will all come out. You have your pillows and you have all of the bars. Okay, let's get to it. Okay, step 1 is you want to match up the right sides. There's a little sticker on there, and the left sides. And then you need 5 of these and 5 of these for each side. And you are going to screw them together. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There's an Allen wrench included. Do both sides and you have your arms together. Next, you are going to take the arm rest cushion and you feed it over the frame that we just put together. It is marked left and right, and this is the front for the left. And it makes sense because these need to stick out, and then you're just gonna zip it on. Okay, next you're going to take the back part and put the cover on. Next, you are going to attach the arms, and to do that, you just slide it on. So these go into these and they just snap right in. Next, we're going to put the seat on, and it attaches with Velcro onto the base. Okay, when you put the seat cushion on, you have Velcro down here that attaches to the base, and make sure that you have all of the cords hanging out the back. Okay, next you're going to attach everything. This was a little bit confusing. Okay, so this makes sense. You're gonna attach the white and the red. This plug here is going to attach to the back, and this white remote attaches to the back. At the bottom, it was so attached to this that I could almost barely see it. You can see I had to cut the little zip tie. This comes out, and this remote attaches here. This was also a little confusing because this pops up. And when this pops up, then you can get this to push together, and then this keeps it together. And then same thing This comes apart here. These two attach, and then you put it there. Last step, we are going to take these two parts and attach them right here. Okay, once you get everything attached and the seat is on, you are going to Velcro the bottom. I love that there is a pocket here for the one remote and then a pocket here for the other remote. Really nice sturdy base. Now let's put the anti-tippers on. And you're just going to screw those two little feet on and you are all set. Check out the links below and I hope you enjoy this as much as we do.